welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into creative stages in CRM, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. We will go to the CRM, and let's go to the lead section. Okay, then lead section and add the stages here, like add stages or like for example, pipeline like client information, serial number, in progress, client company, like ad stages, like quantity, okay, like and about all these stages at these stages like principal. What about you? And this, if you need add anything else, you can add it. And what about you thinking? Or all these thing add stages like a pipeline. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that like icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.